重庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I am Joseph Lin, and here comes another song by Chen Yongtao. It's named after the flower, Morning Glory, called Qian Niu Fa. Now, the song is in a waltz melody, depicting his childhood, because when he was little, he would lead his family water buffalo along the river to graze, passing through morning glories and bamboo, and he would see these flowers dance to the wind, and it became the joyful spirit of the song. So let's take a listen to Qian Niu Fa.
上高架，上爱高架青马沙，风雨来就是啦，见了日头晴开花，紫色的太阳太阳太阳花，看你看来看你啊。不是高架，是情啊！盼你了架上高架，上海高架青马沙，风雨来就是啦，见了日头晴开花。白色的太阳太阳太阳花，看你看爱看牛啊，看看连连都你不看，看你掉那上高架，上开高架青马沙。来就是啦，见了日头晴开花。
这首歌是收录在新专辑《传弦》的《牵牛花》。牵牛花是陈永涛以华尔兹的旋律来描绘牵牛花柔韧的生命力与永恒的爱情。小的时候呢，他会牵着家里的小水牛沿河岸吃草，经过满满牵牛花的竹林。而迎着朝阳绽放的牵牛花就在风中摇摆着，成为这首歌阳光欢乐舞曲的灵感。What an interesting Hakka waltz song brought to you by Chen Yongtao called Morning Glory or Qian Niu Fa. I am Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.